Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel, Take 3. Okay, so what I just did is I touched my camera and everything the camera cut off. So this is what we having like a little 4th of July luncheon today of hot dogs. And so I'm bringing the diced onions. I have 2 cans of no beans, but you need a thing to open it. And I got 1 can of with beans, and you can open that one like that. Okay, so that's for the little hot dogs and stuff that we're having today. One of my and this is my Slay Glam bag that I get. I don't know if I'm gonna keep getting it, but I might. Okay, so here I have an eyeshadow palette, and 2 of the shadows are broken and the other 2 are not, so I'm not gonna even open it to let y'all see. And it's like spilling all over the place. Oh, it's even spilling on, it's spilling out now. Oh Lord, I'm gonna have to clean that up. And then I was showing you all the Moira Supernova Multi-Chrome Gel Liner in shade, is that Rhea? R-H-E-A. You all probably won't be able to see it right there, but I did this whole video yesterday at home, and you guys, let me tell you, I had to delete that one because I didn't like it. Let me show you. This is a very, 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 very beautiful shade. See the blue, yellow, green. That's the only thing, blue, yellows, and greens. And so I don't know how much pencil is in here, but it's nice. I'm going to order another one and see what other colors they have, because this might be cheaper than ordering a palette with multi-chromes in it. I just saw a palette with multi-chromes that I like and that I wanted. And I also seen a palette from Pat McGrath. I seen a post on Instagram from Pat McGrath where she was posting like this little small mini palette with pinks, shimmers, and like a plum purple. But yeah, that's deep. That's pretty. Now I ain't gonna lie, y'all know I'm always having a problem with lighting, but to me the light at home was given a little bit more than was given here at work. But we gonna move forward. Okay, so next we have in this box, and this Glam bag, look, it's all over the place. This Glam bag is okay, this is called Beauty Creations Sweet Glow Palette. And you see the eyeshadow is all over the palette. Oh my God. I don't know what happened. What caused this to not want to sit up right, but I ain't going to keep messing with it, because if I keep messing with it, then eventually what's going to happen, it's going to just kind of like blank out or something. Okay, so let's open it. This is what it looks like. Sweet Glow. And it has a mirror, and it has these 3 shades. This is like a pink, a blue, and some type of yellow. And I'm gonna swatch it for you. Hey. So, how's everybody? Yeah. And they're like really soft. They're very soft, very soft shades. They're soft to the touch. They're more satiny. Let's say they're more satiny. So, and it doesn't say what type of palette it is. It doesn't say what type of palette it is, but also, everything has eyeshadow on it. I don't know if I'll be able to do any type of anything for the holiday. But oh Lord, this thing is messy. Okay, and it's just a clear bubblegum type. I don't like this light either. Y'all, the light at home was better than this. I'm not understanding, but anyway. Okay. The light on. I'm trying to wipe this mess off. I know this unboxing is kind of boring, but okay. Then here we have a palette called the Nile Rasha B Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette. Okay. I just can't stand having all of that. It's all over my bag, y'all. It's just, and then this one has a mirror, and then here are the colors. And then it's getting all over everything. And even if they send me a replacement, I don't know if I'll ever use those colors in that palette because I don't like glitter all over the place. When I use shimmers and stuff like that, I'd rather use this pen, this gel pen, to get my shine on, because having a palette and stuff is just glitter. It's all over my bag. All over my bag. It's ridiculous. So let's go ahead and swatch these. You got Sphinx, Pyramid Now, Luxor, and Cairo. Sphinx, Pyramid Now, Luxor, and Cairo. Sphinx, Pyramid Now, Luxor. I just mixed two colors, I think. Pink, Sphinx, Pyramid. I just mixed these two colors together. And you can kind of sort of tell because one has a more green base and one look greenish yellow. Okay, let's swatch because this video ain't turning out right. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. And this is what my fingers look like after I swatched. So I probably could just go ahead and put some of this on my hand and then let me wipe this